Today we are talking about Othello's character. This is the very common and significant question every time you can meet in the exam. Describe the character of Othello. In the drama, the main character, Othello, is presented as a tragic hero. The drama ends with the tragic death of this hero as he does not know why he was destroyed by an evil character like Iago. At first, he is presented as an honest, sincere, proud, and courageous military commander. But Shakespeare created this tragic drama based on the theatrical principles of Greek philosopher Aristotle. Shakespeare constructs Othello as an honest man in the first act of the drama. In the second scene of the first act, he ignores Iago's words against Brabantio. Iago says he wanted to kill Brabantio when he listened to the reproachful words and angry words Brabantio used, but Othello dismissed Iago's opposing sentences. He said, "'Tis better, it is." It's clear that Othello is not ready to believe in this, what Iago says about Brabantio. The dialogue between Iago and Othello shows audience just how strong and honest man Othello is. Shakespeare wants to create Othello as a brave soldier. We see his military power even in the first scene of Act 1. We see how Othello firmly rejected Iago's request to make him a lieutenant. When Brabantio comes to Othello's house, Iago asks Othello to go inside, but Othello says, "Not, I must be found." He shows that his words and actions are very strong, and when Iago warns him that Brabantio is a powerful, popular figure, Othello says he is convinced that his state services will speak for him and he still has the strength of his love for Desdemona. Shakespeare presents Othello as a brave general because in the end we find out how this type of hero changed and became a villain. As the story moves, the positions of characters becomes unbalanced. Othello, the hero, is transformed into a bad character by Iago. It's Iago who begins to poison the heroic character of Othello. Othello begins to believe in Iago's words against Desdemona and Cassio. He begins to trust Iago more than his wife. Shakespeare creates the character of Othello in this way because even noble men are not able to guarantee their good qualities when faced with problems based on jealousy against his lover. At the end of the drama, Shakespeare wants to build the character of Othello into a husband who learns that he is betrayed by his wife Desdemona. And hero gradually transforms into a naive and stupid character and finally a half devil. Jealousy and inhuman behavior are the main tools used here by the playwright. Othello suffers from a murderous jealousy towards his wife who had relations with Cassio. In the end, Shakespeare wants to build the dramatic resolution that the hero doesn't know how he was tricked by Iago's plan and destroyed in the end. Even at the end of the drama, Othello's honor is secured by Shakespeare, making him an honorable murderer. When he finds him guilty of the crime of killing his wife, he commits suicide. This event helps the audience understand how tragic heroes behave. So, this shows that Shakespeare's perspective is to convince the public that tragic heroes are not criminals in the crude sense.